I welcome you all for this workshop on Bangalore. So, we have been trying to promote cycling in Bangalore, and as you all have experienced, traffic is one of the things that makes everybody repel. I mean, the traffic has a repelling effect on Bangalore. Other things are like culture, everything is so cool, but I think that is the only thing which bothers everybody. And if somebody says Bangalore, we are trying to change that. So, I have come here to have some interesting conversations with all of you and see how we can make our city really beautiful. Thank you very much.
This workshop is a little bit to try and understand if at all the communities want to come together, and if so, how. It's very open in terms of like what we do. I'd like to introduce Manjulika. So she's going to actually help us through the day, just run us through the session, and so she's going to be our main moderator for the session.
So for me, the most exciting thing is to get to meet new people. So I think the first thing that we all should do is introduce ourselves and get to know each other, and then let's go through what we hope to get out of today. So I am Manjulika, as Archana has said. Some of you know me. I wear multiple caps. I think most of us here do that. I'm here today as a moderator because I facilitate group processes, basically in the social development sector, but more so with collaborative processes. I, in my work, have felt that as much as each of us try to bring about change, what we bring to that change process is never enough. We need more skills, we need more ideas, we need more strategies, we need to think more out of the box. And how better than to put more minds and more energies together. I've also realized that we need to work beyond the sentiment of wanting change and wanting to do something else. So I believe we need to have some discipline, some format, some direction. So that's really what I do in the outside world. I'm located in a health setup right now, that is, the St. John's Medical College, and I'm trying to break down the barriers between medical practitioners and the people whose lives they try to change, to try and look at health as being something more holistic. 4 questions that are there. Okay, I'm looking at 11:45 to 12:15. Okay, there are 4 questions about what you feel about Bangalore, the angst, solutions, and what is your dream. So if we can spend the next 15 minutes building on what you've already spoken about right now, but being a little disciplined, on every post-it to put only 1 point and to have a maximum of only 2 post-its for each of those questions. Okay, so that's really the broad objective of the first point. We're going to then, narrow down to what we think we can prioritize, and if there is an opportunity of working together and we feel there is a chance in doing that, we will move to that over lunch and come back with a summary after lunch.
So all 3 aspects there. Then participatory budgeting at the ward level. MAP, that is Malleshwaram Accessibility Project, where they're working with the DULT, which is the Directorate of Urban Land Transport, where they're trying to get non-motorized forms of transport, basically.
All the rest of us can go to that group, that chart saying cool initiatives, and then we'll just do a voting on what we want to hear more about. So now the rest of us can read what is here on initiatives of change.
So I want to know why the Trinity metro station there is a cycle stand and very nicely designed and high technology and everything.
Why it's not used? You want to know it? Okay. So that's a very good question. So I think you people have set the platform for kind of discussion which I actually wanted to tell. So first of all, I will tell how we promote cycling. Okay, because that's a very important thing. So what we do is like we conduct workshops in corporates. We speak to people about what cycle to buy, which cycle to buy, what is the cost of the cycle, and what is the good way to cycle. Okay, people assume that once you buy a cycle you can start cycling. That is not the case. Okay, the height, the saddle height, everything has to be adjusted. That's something called a good habit. Okay, otherwise you might end up with knee injury and all. So we'll tell them about the design of the cycle, how the frame size should be is related to the height. So we give more them about the science and the art of cycling. So then we tell them why we should cycle.
I think that also what it does, like if you're talking about a common identity, right? I feel that there are certain things that are already the case. It's an interdisciplinary group. It's people who are engaging with different kind of initiatives in the city. So those itself can start to build, and that becomes our common identity based.
Okay, so is that fine? That is unique to this group, that we are a diverse group. We are a multidisciplinary group. Okay, we are not a group of artists concerned with the city of Bangalore, or a group of technology people connected with the city of Bangalore, or a group of activists connected with the city of Bangalore. Yeah, so that's.
So I just say, what do I say there?
I think partially you're talking about city seeds as being a email group or a Google group.
The working title can stay, and then our identity are those two things that I see.
As a working title,
Multidisciplinary and
city seeds. Like many people are also not on Facebook. Let's take that into account.
Yeah, so maybe group or something.
Google group.
Yeah, we can figure out some platforms. Hey, I think we are pretty much wrapped up. I just wanted to make a very special thank you to Manjulika here for just holding it together. Someone behind the scenes unfortunately couldn't join us today was Vandana. She's actually put in a lot of effort and has been planning behind the scenes, but got very sick yesterday, so she couldn't come today unfortunately, but hopefully we see her in the next meeting onwards. So a special thank you to her from here. And then of course, just thanks to all of you for taking out a whole day. I know how precious that time was. I really understand that, and it was, it was very scary for me to make that kind of an invite to come here. So I'm really glad that so many of you showed up and stayed. And so I think that's really a big testament to the fact that each of you really are invested in the city and all of that. So thank you so much for that.